Yo, what is good, everybody? Now, today is a very exciting day, not only for me, but for you guys too, because I just hit 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank everyone that is already subscribed to me, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below. So, since I hit 1,000 subscribers, I told you guys I was going to give away this sneaker right here, and we're going to be doing the drawing in this video. But before we do any of that, I am giving away another sneaker when I hit 3,000 subscribers. You may know what this box is, but I'm not actually going to tell you guys, so I will be having another video specifically for this giveaway. So I will be revealing the shoe and everything in that video, so make sure you stick around for that. And I will be explaining more about that after we do the drawings. So right before we do the drawing, I just want to say thank you to every single person that has subscribed to my channel. Like, even when I had 10 subscribers, like, you guys were the people that subscribed when no one else would, and I really appreciate that. I never thought that I would actually get to 1,000 subscribers, but here we are today, and I'm just amazed at how my channel is growing right now. So in the future, I want to do regular, or not in the future, but like, I want to do regular giveaways like this, so make sure to watch through my videos so I can grow faster, and the more I grow, the more insane the giveaways will be, so that'll be super exciting in the future. But I really do appreciate everyone that has subscribed and supported me through this YouTube journey, but without further ado, let's do the drawing. Alright guys, so I have this, this wheel app. Whoever that is, right there. Hold up, it's not focusing. There we go. Rashad Williams, I'm sorry if I did not pronounce that right, but shout out to you, bro. You have stayed with me for a really long time, and you just happen to be the first person on there. But, are you guys ready? This is very exciting. Okay, so I will be putting the screen recording on this, but I just want to record this with the camera too, so you guys know that it's going to be totally fair. And I did have to put each individual person right there into that wheel, so that actually took like 4 hours to do. So could you guys watch till the end of the video, because I spent a lot of time doing this, and it would be very much appreciated. But let's go ahead and spin the wheel. Okay, so I didn't feel like moving the camera, so we'll just kind of, I'll have to spin my chair a little. Alright, so yeah, that works right there. Let me get the focus on. There we go. Okay, so are you guys ready? Let me make sure that the screen recording is still working. Yep. Okay, this is the moment of truth. I'm sorry if I'm looking up there because I have a screen, but here we go. Billy Bigelow. Wow. Okay, so there we go. There's our winner for this giveaway, Billy Bigelow. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right, but that's what it looks like to me. And this was like a totally fair app. There was no like rigging or anything. And I have no clue who this guy is, so don't think I'm like trying to give this to somebody that I know. But if you did not win, don't feel bad, because like I already said, we have the next giveaway. I'm going to be doing this next giveaway a way better system than I did this time, because I had to go through every single sneaker comment and put your guys' names into here. And there's some pretty interesting names. There will be a link to the giveaway in the description. It should be in the top. It should say like giveaway for 3,000 subscribers, something like that. I'm going to go and check and see if Billy is actually subscribed to my channel, because I don't want to give away the sneaker to somebody that is not actually subscribed. You know, I want it to be fair to all of you guys that have actually stuck with me through this whole entire journey. So since I hit 1,000 subscribers, I actually have the opportunity to get monetized when I get 4,000 hours of watch time. And right now I'm currently sitting at 1,400 hours of watch time. So as you can tell, I still have a while to go for that. So I'm going to ask you guys, everyone watching, just totally destroy my next videos, and let's get my watch time up, because once I get monetized, I'll be able to do a lot more stuff for you guys, more giveaways, more epic videos, I guess I would say. Yeah, I forgot to say, let's see. So I will be signing a Supreme sticker and sending this in the package with you, Billy, if you are subscribed. So let's go ahead and check if he is subscribed. I'll check in with you guys after I know if Billy is subscribed. Okay guys, so we can confirm that Billy is subscribed to my channel. So thank you, Billy, for making this easy and that you're actually subscribed. And I did see that you are subscribed to Roscoe and Seth Fowler. I also watched them. So it was really awesome to see that a good person is receiving these shoes. I sent you a message. So yeah, now we're just going to wait until he replies. And if he doesn't reply, then we'll have to spin the wheel again. Yeah, I'll check in on you guys once Billy has officially replied. Okay guys, so it actually is the next day, and overnight Billy did reply. So Billy is the official winner of this contest or giveaway. So congratulations, Billy, and everyone else that did not win. Remember that there is the next giveaway, and there will be a link in the top of the description, so make sure you go check that out. But I forgot, I need to sign the Supreme sticker, and then yeah, so we'll have the package off to Billy. So again, I want to thank everyone that is already subscribed. You know, you guys have made this possible. But that's pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. So as always, thank you guys for watching.